Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the OEX Ballistic 60 litre. I bought the OEX Ballistic and the Euro Height Transit just because I wanted to have a look at the more affordable end of the market in terms of bags. This was the first time opening the bag and taking a look at it and playing around with it, so let's have a little look. In terms of dimensions, it's 57 by 35 by 35 centimeters, which in terms of cabin bags, airline cabin bags, that's a little bit bigger than the average allowance from most airlines. But the bag's soft, so if it's not full, you could probably just squeeze it in. But yeah, I guess you are running the risk if you are actually looking to use it as a large carry-on cabin bag. So let's open the bag up and have a little look. Like most of the bags I look at, this one is a condensable, a foldable. And I said that the Osprey transporter so far has been the easiest one to fold. This is on par with that. Really easy to fold up. When I opened it up, I thought it was going to feel a lot cheaper, considering the price I paid for it. But actually, the bag, it doesn't feel cheap at all. I've got a couple of OX items, and for value, they are really good. They don't feel cheap, yet they are extremely affordable. So it is minimalist. Like there's only one pocket on the bag, and that's on the inside of the lid, a zipper pocket on the inside of the lid. But as you can see, very spacious inside, lots of room, 60 litres. So pretty good in that sense. This is what the bag looks like fully loaded. In terms of being waterproof, it's said to be water resistant, but not waterproof. So heavy rain, your clothes are probably going to get a little bit wet. As you can see, you put the two straps together to use it as a gym bag. The backpack straps, they do come off. You can detach them and use it just as a gym bag. One thing I will say is when the bag's loaded and it's on your back, used as a backpack, it is a lot more comfortable than I thought it would be. So yeah, I was quite surprised at how comfortable the bag was on as a backpack. Obviously it condenses down, so I'll just quickly show you the folding of the bag. Like I said, so far it's on par with the Osprey transport in terms of how easy it is to fold down. I do generally prefer it when the bag folds back into itself, just because I've got a habit of losing the extra bits to bags. But the flip side to that is the extra bag that you have can be used as an extra storage pack. But yeah, it goes in really easy. But yeah, overall, very surprised at how good this bag actually is. I mean, look, I've only just got it, so it's not done the test of time. But first impressions, I think is really good, especially for what you're paying for it. I paid £32 at Go Outdoors with the membership, and the other bag that I got, the Euro Hike, that was £28 with the membership. And I'm gonna do a separate video on that bag, but this bag was, on first glance, by far the better of the two in my opinion. Hopefully this video helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, get in the comment section if you used the bag or you're thinking about getting the bag potentially. And I'll catch you for the next video.